fully activated, fully trading, and so on and so forth. All right. And then also, I believe there is everybody in this room. You have Coin Market Cap, Kego, Coin Kego, and then Runa Crush. I believe, is there anybody that does not have those app in his phone? Is there anybody like that, please? Can I see your hand up? Is there anybody that does not have those things? Okay. This house is so quiet. I believe everybody can hear me. I believe so.
Yeah, we do that.
Okay. All right. Okay. Money. Money raised his hand that he doesn't have Coin Market Cap and Luna Crush. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, what we want to discuss is this. For you to be profitable and sustainable in this market, then you must have some vital information, and you must have some technologies in place, and that's what we are doing, because our aim of this is to make sure that all the members of Royal Q are profitable in this global market. You understand? The crypto market is not trading only by a Royal Q member. That is one of the things I would like you to know this morning. This crypto market you see is not only traded by the Royal Q. It's a market that is traded all over the world. Now, for somebody that was raising hand, this is the app that I'm talking about. Try and get this app. We call it CoinKego. Try and get this app. It's called CoinKego. All right. In case you can get it in your iPhone store, you can get it in your Android store, whatever device you are using. So, because it's gonna give you the full details of each of the coin and what's play out. You understand? It will give you full details of the market. You can see the market is going down again today. Yesterday was like kind of, oh, it's coming up, but we know that we are still in the bearish. And as of that yesterday, we were just like 1.9 or 1.8 something. This is the cap of the market. So almost 6.8% down. That is 1.7 trillion US dollars. That is the market cap of the crypto. That is the money sitting in the crypto. And then you will see all the coins here with the rank lining up. Okay. So you see the Bitcoins is always the number one, Ethereum is always the number two. Those two coins always in any exchange or any platform you go, these are the mother. Bitcoins is the mother of other coins. And on Sunday, when one of our top leaders was taking us, he said, when you are doing analysis of other coins, you first and foremost look at the direction of this, because this decides where others will be going. If this is down, 90% of other coins will be down. If it's up, 90% of other coins will be up. And we have seen that several times. You understand? Check here, Bitcoin is 4%, Ethereum is 6% down, BNB is 6.9 down. If you check, if you scroll down, you will see you hardly see coin that is not down. You hardly see coin that is not down. Some of those ones that you just see green is not up to 1%. And some of those coins, if you check that new coin that just come up on board, you can see, if you scroll down, you see all are red. All are red. You see some 8, some 11, 17, 10, thereabout. You hardly see green. You get me? And those green that you see, just as I said, is the new coin coming. So I've scrolled now to the first 200. You can see the first 200 you had, we can easily count the green. And even the green that you see is not even beta percentage anyway. So you can now testify to the fact that Bitcoin have the control. Because do you know why? He have over 40% dominant in this market. He have 40%. This is the market cap, and then this the money that is seated only in Bitcoins alone, 703 billion US dollars. So it have the bigger hand in the market. And beside others coins that are coming now, you see majority you buy via Bitcoin or Ethereum and stuff like that. It is not now that USDT come up as a stable coin. Majority when USDT was not there, majority of coin to purchase it was via Bitcoins or Ethereum. You understand? So it still remains the mother and the leader of the market. If you check others coin, if you add all their market cap, like up to 4, and not even up to only Bitcoins in the market. So you have more volume and more capacity in the market. So app like this will help you to know what to do. Now this is like Caddy. You can get this thing every day. Yeah, one collect. So at the end, you get amount you can get. You can also use and purchase some token or some coin. It's just like free. Call it Caddy. I have about 380 there. And then also in coin market cap, we call it is it diamond. Those things are like kind of token that, I now have 400. You can so get this, and then it will help you, because this is where you can get a lot of details about this, about each of the coin. About each of the coin. You can get the information when this coin was on a chart. You can see here, this Bitcoin, this Bitcoin, this was the day Bitcoin was coming to chart. This was not the day it was invented. It was 2009. But the day it was on the chart, that you can now come to the chart, the day that it was now traded with other coin, that was on 6 July 2013. Okay, so the percentage you see here is from that very day. Bitcoin is more than this percentage. So coins like this, app like this will give you an insight, and then from here you can now see the total supply. The total supply that will be the total Bitcoin that will be ever mined will be 21 million. And what is available now is 19, which means remaining how many? Remaining 2 million. 2 million coin, 2 million Bitcoins is remaining to be mined. After that, there will be no other new Bitcoin that will be coming in. It remains 2 million. So you now say, when we now say that in the next 5 years to come, 1 Bitcoin can go to 500. Forget about the price that is dancing today. possibility one Bitcoin can go from 200 to 500,000 US dollars. And in the next 10 years to come, by 2030, 2031, 32, one Bitcoin can be 1 million US dollars. It's very possible for that. Because more industry, more countries are adopting Bitcoin now. And by the time now, a lot of system now start adopting it. What do you now think will be the price of something that only 21 million will now be unavailable in the market? And besides, there's no way this 21 will be complete. Do you know why? Over 3 million are in wallet that cannot be accessed. Like the early people, some that were buying Bitcoin then in the blockchain, they forget the 12 fresh word. Even the blockchain cannot recover those. No one can access. So over 3 million of Bitcoin is lost that cannot be accessed. So you now say that even this 21, by the time they will complete mining it, there's no way it will still be 21. So we'll still be at the shortage. So you now see why the market, the price will be keep on skyrocketing, and it will be, a scarce commodity. So when we tell people it's still at the early stage to get involved and get in, do business like Royal Q that can be paying you in crypto, that can be paying you in Bitcoins. Because this is the next oil well. The digital economy is the next oil well. I tell people in Ebonyi that if you check around the first 10 richest men on earth, from 1 to 10, even 1 to 15, they are all doing online business, ladies and gentlemen. The first to 15 richest men, if you Google them now, they are doing online business. What keeps them in that space as the rich people is online business. It's not physical business. And I was giving them an instance as of 2008. Dangote was already a multi-billionaire, the number one in Africa. And he was in the first 50 richest in the world. That time, Mark Zuckerberg was a dropout. As of 2008, he was poor and a dropout from school, and he started Facebook. We now said 2009 that Facebook started working fully to 2019. That is 10 years. Mark Zuckerberg now is among the first 10 richest in the world, with a business within 10 years online. When it comes to net worth, Dangote that has been there in business for over 30 years, when it comes to net worth, when it comes to wealth, Dangote is a boy where Mark Zuckerberg is in the global scale. What gives the young man that quantum leap is the online business, guys. Now, let me give you another scenario. I believe I'm not wasting your time. You know about Amazon, that everybody are buying things from Amazon. As of 1990, 1992, Amazon was still looking for employment in Brigade Company, in Microsoft. And then by 1999 or thereabout, he started his Amazon business, the e-commerce. And then they were like, what is this? But the man pressed on. Now the same man that was seeking for employment in Brigade Company was now past Brigade as the richest man. And he was the first man to clock 100+ billion US dollar. Brigade was still, when Brigade was the richest man on earth as of then, he was between 96, 80 something billion US dollars. It was Amazon that was the first man to cross 100 billion US dollar net worth as the richest man. And what gave the man the quantum leap was what? Is the online business. I'm just showing you this so that because many people will be painting online, you will think that, oh, the only online you understand is Yahoo, or the only thing you understand as online is 419. But I want to tell you, the talk of who is who in the world is the online business man. Now, the richest man right now, called Elliot Musk, that is clocking 300 billion now. What is giving the young man the quantum leap to become the number one now is the crypto business, the online business. And he made a statement last year that he wants to be the first trillionaire. Right now, we don't have trillionaire. All of them are billionaires. He said he wants to be the first trillionaire. And what will give him that quantum leap is crypto. And that is why you see he's pressing on different crypto, different innovation, and a lot of stuff coming up. So guys, if because maybe market is down now and then you are conclude, oh, crypto is not business for me, it's not this. I'm just giving you these data that you can go and do your research so that you know that what you are in are things that the global figures have already seen ahead, and they're pulling out their earning money in physical businesses and bring it here because they know. 2 years, 3 years ago, no one that was knowing Elliot Musk as the first, he was not even in the first 20 or the first 30 billionaire as 2 years back. But how come the man just fly from down the list to become the number one that no one even near where he is now? Is the crypto. Many multi-billionaires today you are seeing today that you may think that are into rituals. Hello, that are into online business. So if you are still approaching it casually, you are still seeing it as maybe you are doing your upline a favor just to come in. That is a wrong perspective and a wrong motive in the first place. Because if challenges come, just like maybe the market is down now, all what you'll be doing will be, oh, why did he now bring me to something that is going down or something that is not working or whatever? Not knowing that you are not even having the proper understanding of what this is done. No matter how the business or the market is down, there's no asset, quote me anywhere, no matter the down of Bitcoin, there's no asset that is close, that is near to the percentage of crypto. If you talk of any company, shares, stocks, gold, silver, diamond, anything precious, anything business that you can think of in the world globally does not near crypto. There is no asset, even land, that you tell me that you buy 2010 and you tell me that today that land has appreciated by this percentage. I will tell you, you are a bloody liar. This 54,626%. 26%. 54,000. Tell me any asset you can think of. The highest that assets can do will be maybe 1,000%. Is too skyrocket. Will be 1,000%. But we are talking of 50,000% here. And then if I show you Ethereum, since he has come on board, you will not tell me that there is any asset that does 588,000%, which means this simply means that if happen you were buying $10 of Ethereum by 2015, $10 of Ethereum 2015, and $10 of Ethereum by 2015, as of then, dollar was still like 150. Let's just put it as of that price. So which means $10 will be 1,500 naira. So I don't know how you explain that 1,500 naira as of 2015 into Ethereum, into crypto, will turn somebody to about, more than 100 million naira today from 1,500. That can only happen in this space. But the reason why a lot of people, because if we go by this percentage, some people may not still really get what I'm saying. If we say $10, $10 times 588, let's just put it like this. Let's remove the fraction. Divide by 100. So this 58,800 US dollars. So if we now times this by the price of today, okay. So this how much? This 32 million, which is more than this. This is percentage calculation, not by the Ethereum calculation. Because if I done Ethereum calculation, we'll be talking of 100 or 100 and something million naira. So I don't know the business. You can tell me that by 2015, you were putting 1,500 naira, and then today you worth 32 million. I don't know the land you bought by 1.5 as of 2015, and then you can say that land is worth 32 million today. You bought it 1.5. I don't know of a property you bought at 1.5, 2015, and you say that property is worth 1 million or 30 million today. But I can show you a business in the crypto space that your 1.5 in 2015 can give you 30 million and more than 30 million. And now you may say that, oh, it's costly now, but watch out in the next 5 years and watch this space in the next 10 years. So when we tell people that this is still the best time to get involved in the crypto, we are not cajoling you because we want you to do royal kill. We are telling you because this is where the future is shifting to. I wrote something one day. I tell people, see, innovation and technology does not respond to your feelings. This is where we miss it out, ladies and gentlemen. Many of us at times we feel that, technology will adapt to your feelings. Technology doesn't respond to your feelings. And how did I know this? Was when GSM was coming to Nigeria, many people was like, this is waste of money. Did I even have money to feed family or to do this, that I will now go and buy phone and then be putting money, no card, and then be calling somebody somewhere. I no go transport, go there and meet the person. That was our mentality and our this thing will not work here. But what happened today? One phone is not even certified many people now. Two phone is not even certified many people now. Three phone is not even still okay. But that was the same thing that people were castigating as of 2000. And then he has evolved from that time was not even Android. It was not even something expensive like this. There was nothing like data subscription. There was no WhatsApp then. There was no Facebook then. There was nothing to even eat more money from the phone that we were even shouting as of then. But what happened today? You see that even living without phone today is becoming so boring. I can't imagine, somebody staying no phone in this 21st century. I don't know how he survived because I'm just taking it as like myself. Just stay, not even without phone, stay without internet as of now is becoming so boring. That is one. So when we talk of this business, when we talk of all those things, it doesn't respond to your feelings. I will tell you this where the world is shifting to say, this is what I was used to know. You are used to Naira, you are used to paper money. So how will this one just fold up? Technology doesn't respond to your feelings. When ATM card was coming and then people, our mentality was, how will you now go and build ATM machine on the road? Oh, the thief will take all the money. Me, I don't need the ATM. But what is happening? It's everywhere, even in shopping mall, and people now POS is coming that everywhere now, every one meter, you are seeing those things, and more are still coming. So it's time that either you update yourself to where the world is, or you become outdated. And you can see what happened to the company that was refused to update themselves. I tell people Nokia company should be example to anybody that want to struggle with the technology and with discovery, because you become history. If you feel that, oh, you know all, even as I speak, I can't tell you I know all in the crypto space. I know all in the blockchain space. I know all in this industry. We are learning on daily basis. You may have a lot of info that I don't have. And that's why I'm a kind of person that I learn from everybody, even a child, have something I can learn from. So if you feel that, oh, all these are nonsense, you become like Nokia company. You know what happened to them? They were the face, and then they were thinking that, oh, we don't need to upgrade to Android. Do this. They were saying no. Users were complaining. They didn't give any listening ears, just like BlackBerry also. Where are those companies today that now struggle to meet up with the iPhones and Android companies? It's not that they were doing anything bad, but they were thinking that they have arrived. And that's why I tell anybody, irrespective of the level you are, you think you have arrived. Where you think you have arrived are the starting point of many. Now, in all what I'm saying is that learning, hunger for vital information is very, very paramount in this industry we are. Don't think or don't feel that, oh, you know all, because you will be shocked that you don't even know 1/10 of what is available. So, ladies and gentlemen, try and get this app and get others. Any of the coin, you can get a lot of information here. Like Shibano has done 1 point something million. How do we know? If I come here and open, okay, Shibano is number what? I think I see it somewhere here. Shibano, number 14. Now, this coin has done over 1 million%. All-time high. Now, if we come here, okay, I was even say 1 million. I didn't just want to let it not be like I'm boasting. Please check it here. What percentage do you see there? That's 43,073,981%. This was the all-time low price of the Shibano, 0.0000000056. And that was on 28th November 2020. By this year, November, we'll make it how many years? We'll make it complete 2 years, right? By last year, 2021 was 1 year. So this year will now be 2 years. So this coin is not up to 2 years yet in existing, but it has done 43 million%, which means only $1 at this time will have turned somebody a millionaire in US dollar. That's why the information is key. Many of us, they will tell us to come to Zoom like this. We are thinking of our data, but we don't think that to access the vital information is not free. Anything valuable at times are not free. And if you can make this teaching free, at least you should pay for your data and get it. Because when everything are free, at times you may not value it, neither pay attention. My mentor said that it's only people that pay attention. And I was confirming that when I was opening an Forex Academy to teach people free, I was regretting. And I said that people don't love free things because they will mess you up. Why? They don't pay. But when they pay, you will see how they will be eager to pay attention and to do whatever you tell them to do.
Captain, it's not all of us, so we are paying attention for the past 2 months now. We are ready to learn.
Yeah, I know, definitely, not everybody. So you can now see.
You that is paying attention, you too, you are using data now. Aren't you buying data? That's what he's saying. So you are paying something. So it's not free.
So you can now see what this coin has done. And now there are other coins that, JB King yesterday and others leaders are telling people you can buy $10, $20 as case may be and keep. There is an airdrop I was sending to some people. That airdrop, 10,000 of that airdrop will give you 200 something dollars worth of that token. And when they are giving you free, there is a period of time that they will release that you can now transfer or start using it. And I think some of us, let me check what is the name of that coin. It's called Tech. Let me check it here if I will see.
Captain, I'm interested though.
I'm coming. Now, this was a token I was sent. I think that was some days ago anyway. I sent this token. I sent this link to many people to register. You understand? This coin will bring in the all-time low. They were started this airdrop last year, but it was not come to the charts. You understand? That was 9 January. And I think whether the second phase pre-sale may be ending today. You understand? May be ending today. Now, if you follow all their procedure with this token, they will give you 10,000 of this token. And the 10,000 of this token worth about 200 and something USDT. You understand? So maybe after this call, I would, if you need it, you can maybe discuss. I will send you the link. How you go about it.
I need it. I need it.
Okay, you did it and they give you, right?
Yes, I need it.
I didn't get you clear. You get it or you? I'm not hearing you clear.
She said I said I need it.
Okay.
She said she need it. So after program, go ahead, you have to jump, go ahead. Jumbo, you mute yours. Just on your mic, Jumbo.
Okay, sorry about that. Because why we are doing this is not only any good things we see in this crypto, as long as if we are in one family, we can share to each other, because you don't know, the Bible said this one or this one can make you rich, and then all of us get involved. You understand? Because those small token tomorrow can turn you a multi-billionaire. What make people stabilize in the crypto space are some of these things. And a lot of people you are seeing that are raising funds, having a lot of money to be buying Bitcoin. Let me tell you, some of our mentors have shared this secret with us. Some of them is not that they were bringing bigger money to the crypto space. It was all this like this free token, these small coins, and then the coins now skyrocket. That was how they now generate the big fund. That you are now seeing somebody will be having 1 Bitcoins, 2 Bitcoins today. It's not that it was keeping that 40,000 US dollars somewhere. All the money was also from this market. But it requires patience, it requires being hunger for vital information. So this is how you go about it. Let me go to my WhatsApp and then show you how it will work. All right, so this is the link. I will copy this link and send. You can see here, so they will give you the content when I send this app, because when you click this link, it will take you to the Telegram, and you must have your what do they call your Twitter? Your Twitter also have to be on, because when you click here, it will now take you to the Telegram, where you will now click start, and then you will join the group. You will join the last group, that is group 7, because group 1 to 6 as full. So you join the group 7, and then you follow their Twitter, follow their channel, and then down here is the contract address. And I think I teach this, how you can copy your contract address to your Trust wallet to add that coin there, because they will now request for you to copy your wallet, that is the wallet of that coin, from your Trust wallet, not from your exchange, not from your Binance or those ones are exchange wallet. They need your Trust wallet, because that's your personal wallet. So you copy it from your Trust wallet down to the place where they will request it, so that they will now send the coins there. I believe many of us will know how to do that, how you can add a coin. If you doesn't know that, we can do that quickly. Now, if you come here, if you come to this Kaggle and type here, you open the coin. When you come here, you will see the contract address of the coin here. You see the contract address of the coin here. See it here. You see this contract address, and this show you that it's a smart contract, because we have a lot of network. That's another thing that you also learn.
Where did you learn from here? Where did you start before you get here? You should settle that place. I don't know where you left before you reach here. Where did you left? Just cycle the place.
Just listen.
I typed the name of it.
How do I listen if I don't understand?
I typed the name of the coin. Okay. If I go back, see, I was typing the name here in the search bar. The name is Tech.
Okay.
I open it. So when I now open the coin, I scroll down. When you scroll down like this, you will see the contract address here now. See it here.
Okay.
So you click here, copy. Now, what I'm saying is this: we have many network. This sign here you see is a smart chain. So you just copy here. You just copy the contract address. Then when you now copy it, you go to your Trust Wallet. That is how to add any coin at all. That as long as in the capital market will have it have this thing. It have a contract address. If it doesn't, is not in the market, that's where maybe you can find the contract address somewhere. So when you now come to your Trust Wallet like this, you now click at this search bar. You click at this search bar, and then when you click at that search bar, if you type maybe the name of that coin, this one is because I've already have it appear. But this, for example, now maybe I just type, for example, in your own now, you will not appear. This is what you will see. You will click at this very point, add custom token. When you now click at this add custom token, this page will open and you will see network here. You will see Ethereum here. So the first thing you will change is to click on this Ethereum. You will see this is all the blockchain that is existing now. If you want to know the numbers of blockchain that are existing, this Trust Wallet will give you the full details. You can see here we have Ethereum, we have Smart Chain, we have Tron. So Tron is blockchain, have its own blockchain. Polygon, that is like Mana, and the rest VeChain, and the rest of it, XDAI, Ethereum Classy, Wave, Kava, Solana have his own blockchain on his own, and then Toma Chain, Thunder Token, Wachain, and all of them, you see all of them here. So the one we see there is Smart Chain. This was the logo. So at times the name may not appear, but the logo will tell you what it is. So it's the Smart Chain. So it's the one we will now select. Now remember, I've copied that address. So I will click here, paste. When I now click here, paste, watch. As I paste it, you will see the name of the coin enter by itself, the symbol enter, and then how many decimal, everything will enter. And then the next thing I need to do is to click here, done. That is how to add any coin that is not in your Trust Wallet. That is how to add it. So after I now click there, done, what will be the next thing? The next thing is it will open like this. Then I will now click receive. So when I click receive, the receive wallet will now open. I click copy. So that's how I will now copy and send it there. And then they will now send the token. It will now reflect within 24 hours. It will now reflect in my Trust Wallet. And this coin by April, sorry, all these token, you can now start withdrawing like 10% every month. You understand? So which means by April, if they give you like maybe a coin that worth 250, and even by April, the coins even increase even to like 300. And then they say every month you can be moving 10%. That is like $30. Or even though it's this 250, that's like $25. Something that you didn't put money. And the value of this coin will be more than this by then. So these are the things, these are how some people are gathering some of the token little by little, and they build their portfolio.
Oh, that is interesting, very good. I'm interested, John, but I'll call you later. Thank you.
All right. So that was that anyway. So I believe I'm not wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen. So back to our Royal Q proper. Many of us we understand there is a lot of the market is kind of down. It's a normal scenario anyway. Just as we keep saying that market doesn't move in one direction, it moves up and move down. It's a normal thing. Just in the physical market, at times the product are cost, at times the product are cheap. That is how life is. Life is not constant. That's why we keep on telling people. You see all those constant return of investment business that I keep on promising you, my brother, is when market, when time like this come, that is when we know the real. It's in this time that we know the real company that are truly trading. Because when time like this come, that is when we now know, are they truly trading and are they truly business? So another app that I want you to get is CoinMarketCap. Let me check it. So in case you are not having this app, now they download all those pornographer app or those nonsense app that are not adding anything. Get the app concerning the business you are in. Let him so that you can get a lot of info. You get this CoinMarketCap. All the coins that are in the market is here. If I open here, so get it from your phone. You can see, you see the total CoinMarketCap, the Bitcoin dominant. You see here, Bitcoin dominant is over 40. Ethereum is over 18%. You understand? You see the Ethereum dominant is over 18%. So that's why you see those two coins are always at the front. And then the total numbers of cryptocurrency is 17,707 that are in the capital market. That's why when I see people promoting only one coin, I say, well, it's ignorance, because if there's these numbers of crypto existing, so you now go and promote one or network one coin and expect that it will turn you billionaires when we are having over 17,000 of cryptos in the market. So at times it depends on the level of understanding anyway. So you check here, you will see the volume under 24 hours, what the money coming in, going out, the trading aspect that are happening in the market. You see all the details here. And then if you click here, you can now see the gain and the losers, the top gainers and the top losers, you see it here. And then the news. Some of the news that that affect the market, you can see it here. This Solana and others, you can go here, you can see a lot of news, that are happening in this space. And then I was telling you that some diamond you can be collecting from this app every day. See it here, you see here. For people that have this app, you see here, diamond. I think I have like over 100 and something. If I click there now, it will open and then I will collect either 10 or 20. I don't know. Okay, I've already have 300. So today only is 10. So I will collect 10, join there. If I gather like this, maybe up to 1,000, I can use it and buy coin or buy token, stuff like that. All those things are free. You play around them. You understand? So I will click here and then I will collect them right away. And then I will know that today on is done. So get this app, and when you download, just sign up. Sign up as properly. So now say I'm having 310 now. So till tomorrow I will come again and collect it like that, just like that, stuff like that. If you click here at all, you will see all the details about each of the coin. And if you can see now, all the coins, all of them, the chart is down, the chart is red. You understand? The charts are red. And then many of us see why we are calling USDT a standard coin. Whether coins are down or whether coins are up, do you observe that they always remain $1? If it do go down, it will be 1.9 at 0.9. Sorry. Do you observe that? Yes, this coin goes down. So it's what make the trading sweet. That's why any legitimate company are using USDT as a as a best currency. People that trade forex will understand what I mean by best currency. Best currency means the currency or the money you use to buy other product. You understand? Okay. So that's why it's a stable coin. Even though all those coins go down or whatever, it will remain $1. If it do go down, maybe this 0.001 there will just come out, it will just be $1 complete. Or if market is too bearish, you now see 0.9, and it will not take 2 or 3 days, it will come back to $1. So these are the things you know, and that's why, when you are using USDC to trade, that's why you are trading one shot, so that if you make the profit, all your money back to your USDT. If all your money is back in USDT, market is going down, it's not affecting whatever value that you have there. Are we together? So these are the things that you need to note of it. And then another thing I will also say, I believe all of us here are members, is this. I've observed that many of us, when market is down, we think that, oh, that is not even the time to be trading, or that is not the time to set account, or that is not the time to even tell people about the business. Let me tell you, the best time to sign up, the best time to set an account is when the market is down like this. Is the best time. A lot of my downlines have experienced that. But many of us, we are waiting where Bitcoin will be 100,000. That's where we'll now go and tell people, say, crypto is good, or crypto is making money now. That is the apex. That is the roof. I tell people the best way of trading crypto is that you buy at the floor. You still remember? And then you sell at the roof. You buy here, you sell here. You don't buy here, because when it reaches the roof, it will come down. When it reaches the floor, it will go up. That is how the market is. So the principle of gravity is working, is what is applying in this market. What goes up comes down. What comes down goes up. That's how it works. Because I will see some people will say, why the market is down, I will go high. You say why the market is down, you get anything that always remain up. It's only God that maybe can do that, can remain up forever, but any other things will go up, come down, go up, come down. So that is how it is. So ladies and gentlemen, is the best time that we gather all the necessary information that we need to gather, and then equip ourselves. I think that is the 2 app. It was 3 app that I was saying want to discuss about concerning the people that they didn't have those apps. And then the third one is the Lunar Crush, the one that we are using for trading, that have been so helpful all this while. And I believe every member of Royal Q have this app called Lunar Crush. Every member of this have this app called Lunar Crush. Now, this is an app that give you more insight of what is happening or what will happen in the cryptos per day. So if you come here, when it's open like this, this is the Lunar Crush. You register with it, and then they're also having token here that you can gain points every day. This app assigns 65,000 tokens every day. Every day they assign 65 tokens for every Lunar Crush users. So how did they now share? They will now take this 65 5,000 token divided by the entire point. You can see now, I just opened it this morning, so I never have any point yet. The point that I have in previous days is what give me this 3.6 loan token. So this token you see here, I didn't buy it. Just like those engagement, those answer by or yes, no. That's how you engage. So they will take this 65 token and divide by the total point. So they will now know how much token they will now give for each point. That's how they distribute it on daily basis. So more point you are accommodating, that is more lunar token you will be earning that day. If you are not having any point that day, which means that day has passed you. That's how it is. So there are a lot of, apart from the information you are getting from the app, you are also earning token. This token is in the market. This lunar token is also in the market, is in the capital market. You know, if you go to CoinKego, let me show you the name so that come to research here. Sorry. This is the name. Sorry, the spelling is not correct. I think this is the correct spelling. Okay, yeah. So I get it. This is the name. You can see here. Loan token. So let's open it. So do you now see the price now? Is 38 cents. This is the price of this token. This token here, the lowest price so far was in April. Which means the lowest price is just today. So even this token is still at a very low price. This was a token that was at 50 something dollars. So if you come here, you can get a lot of info about this token. See it here is a utility token. If you click here, you get all the information. I have the white paper of this token. So that's how I know that 65,000 is being distributed every day. And they set that aside for 3 months. After 3 months, I think they reduced to whether 25,000 or thereabout every day. So that's how it being scheduled. And you can see here the right up here. Users will be earning points for every milestone on the app. This point can be converted to the loan token upon reaching certain threshold or whatever. So you can read more the details there. So I didn't just tell you what is not obtainable or what is not there. So that is that about this app. So you can be earning those
Jumbo, we can't hear you.
I don't know.
Jumbo, okay, that's all right. Go ahead, it's clear now.
Okay. All right. So This is how you make use of it. You now come to where you see market. When you now click on market, you will see all the coin. In just a minute, please. Sorry. Let me share my screen. I didn't know. Okay. So when you now come here, you will see dashboard. When you are registered, you see market, you see discover. You come to discover. When you click on the discover, this is where you will see the coin of the day. And now coin of the day, as we said, is that coin of the day is updated every 1 p.m. by afternoon, 1 p.m. Nigerian time. That is where they update. This coin yesterday was come up by 1 p.m. And coin of the day have the capacity of do 1 to 30% of that day or that week. Any coin of the day means that week is going to do well. It may not do well that very day, but at least in that week it will do well. That's one thing you need to note. And then coin of the day is being updated every 2 hours. You see here top 10 coin. That is 10 top coin which you can be trade with. You see them here. You see them here that you can trade with the top 10 coin of the day. Now this was the 10 o'clock update because they will update it by 6 a.m., 6 a.m., 8 a.m., 10 a.m., and then 12 noon. And then even by 2 p.m. after 1 o'clock coin of the day, they will still update it. So you can check at any point in time, and then you take advantage of each of these coins. Coin of the day can do 1 to 10%, 1 to 10% in a day, 1 to 10% in a day. So this is how to make use of it. And then when also, and many people do complain, watch it when you are coming here, you check if this place is showing hot rank. When the one that is showing hot rank here are the coin that we are talking about. Because at times your own may be showing something like this, watch. You see, your own may be showing maybe Galaxy Score or spam volume or social media or word of view. But just watch it. We are talking of the one that show hot rank. The one that show hot rank is the one that we are talking about. So you can click the side arrow to go to the hot rank. The one that show hot rank is the one that we are talking. If you are finding it difficult to get the hot rank, just come here to market. When you now click at the market, and then you click here. If this place is not showing hot rank, just click there. When you click there, when you click at this place, you see it will now take you to all this. It maybe was here. Maybe your own was under agreement, sentiment, or whatever. Still hot rank here. You just tick here and then you click save. So you can now able to see the top 10 coin of the day. And also when you come to the market like this, it's not only 10, because if you go to discovering, when you go to discovering, it's only 10 that it will show you. But if you come to the market will show you the entire coin. So even more than the 10, because at times you may look at the first 10, those coins may not be in our Royal Q platform. So you can check here from 1 to 10, some of those coins may not perhaps be in our Royal Q platform, but you can see other coin below that is in our, in our platform that you can be trading. Like Bitcoins now is number 24, you understand? And he has done minus 2% or thereabout. It was even more than that. You get it? You can click here. Now, these are the engagement that I'm talking about. As I click here now, you see what they're asking me. What do you feel about Bitcoins today? Buying, holding? I'll just click anyone. I click, I'll get the point. So I'll just click buy. By so doing, 70% people are saying, 70% are saying buy. So you now see, and by so doing, I've now gathered this thing. I've now gathered point from there. And then when you now come here, you also see top trading pairs. You will see all of them here that you can go through it. That is the exchange, that are trading with those coins and stuff like that. If you click on each of them, you can get a lot of information with it. I can now return back. You can still continue scrolling up like this and check other coins like Tron. Tron is a minus 3%. Binance Coin BNB is number 40. Now, when you click there, you see number 40. You also check it here. You also check here if the 40 there is correspond here. You can see it's showing there 40, but in OutRank, it's showing what? It's showing 42. You understand? So these are the things you also check anyway and see some coin that will be doing well and the potential that they have. All coins are down today. You understand? The market are down. You hardly see any coin that maybe is going up. It's even going up. The percentage are not much. It's even going up. There are new coins that they are just listed in the platform. Like all this one that you are seeing here, Unity and the rest of them. Majority of them here are new coins that are just coming. And some of those new coins may not even be in Binance or in all those major exchanges. That's one of the things there. So these are the things and how you engage in this Lunar Crush. This is how you check the coin and then you engage in the Royal Queue and start trading. So with this, and right now we are telling people in this bearish, we are trading with one shot because the market is still down, so that you target 2%, 2.something%, and then you are now off of the market. So this is how to make use of the Lunar Crush. So if you are not having it, try and get this app to yourself. You can click on any of the coin and then go about it. They will ask you what is your feeling, maybe to hold it. Whatever opinion does not matter. Only what you need to get is just to get the point. We'll gather the point each day and stuff like that. And then you'll be getting those loan token on daily basis. You understand? Why you also gather information or getting the coin that you can trade for that day. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the things that, with this information and with this technology in place, I'm telling you, succeeding and making 1 or 2 or 3 or 5% of our capital in the Royal Queue is an amazing. And what make Royal Queue outstanding is this, because if you are trading outside Royal Queue, for you to be targeting or setting 2% or stuff like that is becoming at times maybe very, very hard. But with the robot, you are setting your 1% or 2% or 3%, and you fix everything. So whether you are there or you are not there, whether you are online or not online, or no network, or network is not there, by the time it reaches there, the market will close and return all your capital back to USDT with the profit. So that's what make this business amazing one and a wonderful one, ladies and gentlemen. And I think we have discussed before now. We have discussed on many settings that you can do. You have discussed yesterday on different settings that you can do depending on your capital. And we were discussing that you don't risk more than 10% to 50% if you are trading with one shot, and it should not be more than, if you are risking up to 30% of your capital, which means it should not be more than one coin. If you are trading, if maybe you have, I'm talking of people that have a bigger capital, because if you have $200, you have $100, you have 150, 180, from $100 to $200 is not advisable you trade up to 2 coins, 1 coin per time, and see how it work out first. 1 coin per time. If that one now close on profit, then we can now go for another one to be at the server side. And then people that have like 500, you can trade like 2 coins per time. People that have like $1,000, you can trade maybe 3 or 4 coins, depending on the setting. But now you also consider the risk of the capital that you are taking. Now you don't risk more than 10 to 50%, and put all those things in consideration. By so doing, I'm telling you, on daily basis, definitely you can get the 1, 2, 3% of your capital that we are talking about. And the information getting that the market may also be deep today, but towards March that we are coming, we are going to have a bullish market for over 2 months. So it's for us to get prepared and everybody to get set, because the market is gonna give us plenty money. That's what I tell people. So if you get your money, this is the best time to buy those coins. Get your account set if your account is not set, because we are gonna make a lot of money. And also there are a lot of coins that I've been commenting that you can also be buying even as little like $10, $20, and just keep them in your trust wallet there. That is going to make it massively. But those ones are long term. Please don't quote me wrong. I'm not saying you buy it and then after 1 month now you say, Captain, I'm not saying anything there. You can buy that $10 coin now, and before you now know, that $10 can go to $1. There is a token I would buy. There's a coin I would buy December by $15. If I show you now in my trust wallet, it's not even up to, when I check day before yesterday, when I check, it's not even up to, as in it goes down to below $1. I was bought $15. It goes down. So how will you now explain that? So which means if maybe I was buying that coin $1,500 US, what I will be saying now will be below $100. Yes, I bought it $15, and what I'm saying today is about whether 0.7 or 0.8 cent. You understand? And stuff like that. But those ones I don't bother myself, because I'm keeping them. All those ones are when I will look them 2025. That's when I will look what will come out of them or stuff. So I'm not disturbed. So that's why there are coins that I'm buying. I say, okay, from now till December. So have a short-term plan, have a long-term plan of some of those coins. Now, don't have this mindset of now. We have seen Ethereum that will show you, how the percentage that are made. It's not that those ones that were buying that 2015, by 2016, they will now start selling. They wouldn't make the bigger money they are making today. So patience and long-term plans are also very paramount key in this crypto space. And then while the daily trading, and also, you are building your portfolio, as case may be. There are a lot of things in this space that you can learn, and a lot of things that you can get involved, ladies and gentlemen. So I don't know, think we'll open the room for question, and then if happen there are a lot of challenges, so that let us keep it interactive, ladies and gentlemen. So I would like to pause here, and then if you have a question, please, you can unmute yourself, and then let's discuss. All right. I will start with Saga. So unmute your Sanya. Unmute yourself, and then.
Yes. Okay. Go ahead.
Right, yes, sir. Good morning. Thank you for your efforts. My question is, for those of us that are unable to download, because I've been told that I have to update my phone, and I cannot. I've gotten to Zenith of my version. That's this iPhone. Now,
Hello, Ogasanya, I can't hear you. Hello? Hello? Oh.
hello, sir. Are you with me?
Now I can hear you. Come again. What do you say is the challenge?
Now I said, okay, did you get the first one, that the Trust Wallet and MetaMask? Can MetaMask work the same, do the same thing as a Trust Wallet, using it as a private account?
Trust Wallet and MetaMask are just the same. You can have the two. I have the two. You understand?
Okay, because I have MetaMask, because the other one I cannot. They say I should update my phone to like 13.0, that iOS.
Yeah, if you have MetaMask, fine and good. You can still copy the Trust Wallet and put there and update it. It's the same thing. You can use MetaMask.
Okay, so that means all these details that you say we should do, we can copy it and put and go to MetaMask and keep it there. Is that what you say?
Definitely, you can do it in MetaMask. You understand? You can do it in MetaMask.
Then the second is the coin. Sorry, the points. Is there any limit for the Luna, for instance? Because they'll tell me I have gotten, is it 30 points, and that I cannot go beyond it every day.
Yeah, I think maybe because of, based on the numbers of people coming in now, they may get they may get maybe up to that limit anyway. That maybe when you get certain point of it, they may now call it a day anyway.
Yeah, because before this time it wasn't, but right now it is. Then for the MetaMask, I find most
for the MetaMask. If you can see my screen, see.
I'm looking at your stream now. Yes, I'm looking at your stream. Yeah.
This is MetaMask. You will see where they say import token.
Yes. Yes.
So when you now click, well, if I click on this import token, just watch. If I click on this import token, you see what they will require. So I will put that address here. You understand? Because at that, maybe if I type the name, for instance, the name may not maybe appear. If the name is not appear, you see, like that token now, I tap here, so I couldn't find here. But if I put the contract address, definitely it will appear, and then I will now click on import. So I will now be added the token here, so that if I now click on it, you understand? You see, on all this now, for example, maybe I click on this Shibano now, you can see where they say receive send. So I will click on the receive, and then I will now copy if I now click on the receive, I will now copy the receive address.
Details,
and then,
yes,
the details, and then send to the place that is needed to be sent the token down here. So that is that anyway.
Then there was one transaction that is still hanging now from Binance blockchain that has not been able to drop even on the MetaMask. If it's possible for me to open my to share my this thing, so that you look at it, if it's something
what was the challenge? What happened? What coin were you sending And what was the issue?
I think it was $10. Is it 10 USDT or whatever? And they were sending the money from Binance.
You want to send USDT?
Yes.
From USDT from
blockchain by Binance blockchain. Yeah.
From Binance blockchain to your MetaMask.
Yes, and it's still hanging. Yes, it has not dropped.
They didn't tell you that it goes or it didn't go. There should be.
It was successful. It was successful at the transmission, but here it has not dropped into my own account here. But it has left the other guy.
And it was the USDT you were copy from MetaMask was which network? You know, we have different network of USDT.
I think the guy that is doing it.
It may not be something. It may not be something of thinking, because let me show you what I'm saying. Because these are some of the things. I remember I do one transaction like that, and then the money was lost. I know that definitely I don't need to be blaming anybody. The mistake was from me, because see, this is what I'm saying. You see, in USDT we have many. We have TRC20. We have TRC20. That is Tron. We have Solana. We have
we use TRC20, sir. That's what we use.
Okay, so it was TRC to TRC.
TRC20. That's what we use.
What will happen is this: you can write maybe a support to Binance. Since it was from Binance, you have made so transfer, and the thing has left the wallet, and then it's not arrived. Or you also go to, what will happen is this: you can also go to transaction history, and then so that, because by the time you are making the complaint, you have to make the complaint with fact. You go to the transaction history to copy the transaction ID, because that transaction ID.
Can I share my screen with you so that you look at even the transaction for me?
Okay, you do that.
I'll go to MetaMask, and then let me go to MetaMask so that you see what I'm saying.
I cannot even think our leader will make you the co-host so that maybe you can share.
Okay, sir.
Anyway. So leader, maybe you make him the co-host so that let him share the screen. Let's see what he's talking about.
Okay. All right.
All right, sir. So you can share your screen. Let's see what he is talking about.
Let me share my screen now, sir. Is it on now? Are we on now, sir?
Yeah, we can see. So you open the Binance.
No, it's the MetaMask. Is it the MetaMask I want to open now?
That's the MetaMask now. He has opened. Let me see the.
Have you seen it, sir? Captain?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
I said, yeah, this is my account, and you can see that.
This is your account. Scroll down.
That's it.
And I'm not. There's no USDT here.
No transaction here, because the guy was saying whether it is because we could not bring down blockchain, because what we saw is BNB.
No. Me, I first asked you. I said, will you copy USDT from the MetaMask to the USDT of your this thing Binance? You say yes. So you now see here the only three.
see the address. The address we copy is OX. You can see that my account detail is this one up here on top
Which
of
one?
the
No. You see that account? That account there is not USDT account. That account there
this is what we copy to the blockchain. That's what I'm saying. Is that not at the other side?
That is wrong wallet. That account you see there is Ethereum. Check. Have you seen up there?
Yes.
Have you seen where they write wallet there? They say Ethereum main network. This metaverse. So this account 0x130 blah blah blah. The wallet that you see there, that's your Ethereum account.
Ethereum account, yes.
So if you copy that one and send USDT to that wallet, the money has lost because it's a wrong account. That is just the bitter truth. I have to tell you.
So, because I was thinking that it's because we could not bring down the blockchain, the Binance blockchain.
No, it's not because you couldn't bring down. The issue here is very clear now. The issue is that you were sending it to the wrong wallet. That's all. How much was it?
$10.
$10. So you just bear it. It was sending it to the wrong wallet. No, I will be very, very straightforward here.
Please, can we move on? Please, can we move on, please?
So let's move on. So what you will do now, if you click on that import, if you click on this import now, you
import
can
token
USDT here, so that anytime you want to send USDT here, you come here and copy USDT. You don't need to go and copy Ethereum and send USDT. Even though it was $10,000, that's how you will also. That's why when you are sending wallet, be very, very sensitive and be very, very careful of the wallet you are sending, because it's really a problem if you are not.
Thank you.
Okay, so you're welcome. All right. The next person, Monday Namandi, go ahead and ask your question.
Yeah, Captain. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So please, in this bearish market, so you're advising us to buy more.
Yes, sir. If you have more money, so let me put that cross. If you have more money, is a good one. But if you don't have more money, there's nothing. You just wait.
Okay. That's my question anyway.
All right, no problem. Welcome. So if you have more money, you can buy. There's no problem to that. The next person, Salisu. Okay, unmute yourself and ask your question, sir.
Okay, good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Thank you very much for the
opportunity. I have a question, please, on Luna Crush.
Okay, sir.
Now, if you go to Luna Crush around 1 p.m. when they listed the coin, I observed that the peers where you can buy the coin, the exchange where you can buy the coin, the prices varies. For example, the coin that was listed yesterday, the Wave coin that was listed yesterday, if you go to the peers where you can buy the exchanger, where you can buy the coin from the exchanger, you see that on Binance you have $8.6, and the other exchanger where you can get it is Bitenium. Yet the price is $22.38. Is it, based on your experience, I want to learn from you, is it possible for somebody to buy it on Binance at a cheaper price, then send it to Bitenium and sell it at $22 per unit?
Yeah, definitely. That is what a lot of big firms are doing, and that's what we call arbitrage trading. You understand? People
Yes.
buy low from this exchange and then sell high from this exchange. So if you are having big money, you can buy it here, and then within some hours or within some time, you now sell it the other way. You can do it that way. That's a business that a lot of people are doing anyway. So that's not an issue.
Okay, I just wanted to be sure of what I want to venture into. That's why I asked the question.
No problem, sir.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Which person next? Justina, please unmute yourself and ask your question.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you for your wonderful presentation. I want to, my question is tied to help. My Royal Q bot, I started with just $100.
Yes,
and I don't know, the circle trade put me in deep.
Okay.
And now my upliner said I should refresh. I put another $100 to make it $200. And they said I should take a one shot trade. I took the one shot.
Okay.
And then the second one shot, all of them are still in the deep till now. And daily I see the money going down. What will I do? What will you advise to help me come out of that type of scenario?
Okay. The total money that you are trading with is
200.
Now, what is the total numbers of trade that is running now in your account?
They are now 4.
Okay, so you now see that in the beginning there was even a wrong setting, because even you hear when I was saying that somebody that have 500, the highest coins you can trade is 2. So that 4 should be, we should be talking of $1,000. So you now see using 200 to trade 4 coins as instant is already wrong in the first place. So
yes, it wasn't the same time.
Yes, I know. The first time maybe $100 was like maybe 2 coins, right? And then you come and
No. It was in a synchronized this thing before the thing went. Yes.
When it was in the synchronized, how many coins he was trading per time?
I don't know, because they said the bot is trading for me. I only knew that.
No,
the thing was.
Listen, even when the bot is trading for you, let me show you one thing. Even though that is the bot that is trading for you, the numbers of coin, you are still the one that decide how many coins.
I came new and I don't know anything.
Okay, it was not you that was setting it, right?
Yes, they just taught me to do this, do that.
Okay. Anyway, I will not go onto that. What was done is already done. But one thing is this. Let me say this, and then everybody will also take notes. Please, you see all those autopilot and all the strategy that the bot is taking. Each of them have their own guide. Each of them have their own guide, whether it's Great King, JB King, Jacobo, QQ Circle, AI Bot. When you join that circle, they have their own guide depending on your capital. Like Jacobo, they will tell you you can start with $100 and then you trade 1 coin, and the first buy should be $15. Like QQ will tell you that their minimum you can start trading with them is $250. That's their minimum. And the $250, your first buy should be $15 and it should be 1 coin. You go to AI Bot, it will tell you their minimum is $225, and then you should trade with $20, and then the first buy, the numbers of coin should be 1. If you are trading with 500, it will be 2. If you are trading with 1,000, it's 4. QQ Circle, if you are trading with $1,000, they say 3 coins. So each of those things have a guide. But the problem is this: we didn't know all this, or many of us did not even follow this rule. So we'll now bring somebody with $100, and then we'll go ahead and put like four coins, or go ahead and put like 3 coins. And before you know, within 1 hour, the robot will buy everything with the money. And when the coins now start going down, it becomes a problem. So the issue now is that it's not something you panic about, madam. what it should help you do is that let him turn the one that was in cycle that the robot was trading, let him turn everything to one shot. And then both the one shot on that you are doing, let everything remain like that. When the market recover and close everything, then with that 200, what you can be trading will be 1 coin per time, and it should be one shot. So that's what you should do now. There's nothing that you should worry about, man. I don't know if
I should wait until the top.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because when as is in floating loss now,
yes,
it's not like clock. It's not that maybe you just do something now, then everything will start the floating loss will now just disappear. I don't know if you get my point.
I get it.
Okay, so that's why I say in case the rest one are still in cycle, change it to one shot.
No. All of it has been changed to one shot now.
Okay, let it change to one shot, and then also check if the position. Also check if they have closed, if they have stopped the margin calls in those so that if it goes deep, it may not buy more. What I mean is this: if you can see my screen, you make sure that you have stopped this thing, the coming. Let me check what I want to show you. You make sure that they have closed all the this thing, they have stopped all the margin calls, so that even though if we go deeper, it's not gonna buy more. Now you see all these coins now that are in floating loss. So I'm not bothered. All those one will recover. See here, this is a minus 300 and something dollar. This is a minus 400, 500 and something dollar. You understand? So it's not that there's any magic you will perform. This is was based on the setting. Then we're not really informed. This information we are getting now were not really available then anyway. You understand? Yeah. So what I mean is this: when you open like this, make sure that this place is showing like this, open margin call. So I've stopped it. So you make sure that this place is showing open margin call. That's the place I'm talking. I make sure that here is one shot. So if that is done, you just wait, the market will recover. So there's no panic or no problem for that. The issue is that as long as it's a spot trading, nobody lose money here, except you are not patient enough. That's where you have problem. All right. It's okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I want that free something. I've not seen it.
The token, no problem.
Yeah.
You can chat me up, and then I will also drop in this thing. You can chat me on WhatsApp, so I will drop the link.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right. Okay, Ifoma, you can ask your question.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma.
So, what I want, yes, sir. My question is about this Trust Wallet. Is it about this Trust Wallet you are talking about?
Okay. Yeah.
Is it that we are going to open another Trust Wallet apart from Binance?
It seems like Binance is an exchange wallet, is exchange platform where you can trade. Trust Wallet is like a personal. Is a wallet that you have. When we talk about private key, are you aware that you don't have private key in Binance, but you have a private key in your Trust Wallet? Are you aware?
I don't have it. That's why I'm asking, because I don't have this.
Okay, you don't have Trust Wallet.
Yes.
Okay. So Trust Wallet is like a personal, is where you can keep a lot of coin or stuff like that. So you can download it, and when you are downloading it,
yes,
then they say create an account. there's what we call 12 phrase word. You copy those 12 phrase word. That is what make you the owner. If that 12 phrase word lost, even the wallet company cannot recover that account, no matter millions that was there. If maybe you were here in the beginning when I was talking about, that over 2-3 million Bitcoins is in loss, that they cannot trace it till Jesus will come. So this trust wallet, when you are creating it for other people that don't have it, when you are creating it, make sure you write that 12 phrase word somewhere. If you lost it, whatever million you keep it there, forget it. Even nobody can recover it for you. That's one.
Okay, you mean that 12 words now, that the trust wallet that we send it to me.
When you download it and create an account,
yes,
that's the word that they will just bring it. It's like it will be like a password. You will see number 1, they will put the word there. Just write it accordingly like that, because when you click the next step, they will require those words to be very short. And then after that, the account will be created. Now, if anything happened or you lost the phone, you can log in your trust wallet in any other device, and what will guarantee you to access whatever money or whatever coins you are buying there is that your threshold. So if you lost it, which means you have lost it.
Okay, sir. All right, sir. All right, thank you, sir.
Leader, sir. I think what I would advise that they should do is to maybe screenshot it, put it on their email, save it on their mail, so that in case where they want to have it next time, they can quickly go there and carry it.
That's why I said he should write it down. I screenshot because of sensitive in it. If you want to screenshot, the screenshot know the work. Just write it down. Except you use another phone to snap it. If you want to see the same phone to screenshot, it doesn't work. You can use another phone and snap if you have 2 phones. But the best thing is that you write it down somewhere. All right, sir. I think who is the last person there? Honorable Moko, go ahead and ask your question, sir.
Well done, Captain. May I just belong go. Oga Malaki, may I just belong go. My fellow student. Hello now. Hello now.
Welcome, sir.
We greet you.
Yes, sir. And that is to say we have good Nigerians. Even when our name is not nothing to write home about internationally. I know that with this, I know that Nigeria will be great again. God will bless you both for me in Jesus' name.
Amen.
I want to actually know how to do that free token. That free token is important to me. I don't know if we can have a Zoom meeting, private Zoom meeting in the morning.
Which one is that one, sir?
Which one?
It's the free one you talk now.
The free one you said now. You help us. I don't know. We are still babies now. You help us, and even if it's tomorrow morning, some of us I don't know how to do it. You can give us private
Nigeria.
Don't do. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Absolutely important.
Okay. This is what I will do. Oga Honorable.
Sir.
See what I will do now, eh?
Yes,
we'll use your own to do practical now, so that I will direct you on how you will go about it. Others will watch it, and then so that they will follow this, so that in case any challenges there now, they will see where the challenges lies. I think that is okay by everybody, but
hello,
yes,
Captain.
So,
Captain.
Sir.
Very important.
This
yeah, so it's okay by me. I need it.
Hello, everybody. We are on a training, which is a technical training, and this technical training is a welcome development for Royal Q.
Okay.
I think, and this is being recorded on the YouTube. It's live as you are even here.
Okay.
So what would happen that any other thing we have to do to be outside when we close from this webinar. So
okay.
that's why we need to be conscious of whatever we say or pronounce, because other people maybe they are there also watching it, because this video is to help to guide other people in a different area of Royal Q. And finally, because we have just a few minutes to end this program officially, I think it's just a right time for us to, be able to take our time to navigate some, study very well about the Royal Q. First of all, I want to appreciate all of you that are coming here to learn, because it says practice makes perfect. Any day you stop learning, that is the day you also, the one even though you think that you even know will disappear. But a prayer that nothing we learn here that will disappear. All we need to do is to keep on, practice it. And when you keep on practice it, you become more professional, more great over it. So Royal Q is a place to be, because the gospel truth is that if it's not Royal Q, I don't know what can bring all of us together that can get this kind of info. Some of the info we are getting on a daily basis, both international and internally and individually, and the kind of relationship and the family and the friendship we find at this period. Because I believe it does before now, some of these things before you can be able to get this kind of information, it takes a lot of tax for you to get it. But Royal Q have made it easy for us to participate actively on it. So I want to encourage all of you, invite your team, invite people to come on this technical training on daily basis, because if you watch, it is not easy. But we are committed, and we are sacrificing time to make sure that we give our people, the Royal Q family worldwide, this information and this training. Because I know this training, if someone can, can beat up his chest and say the truth, since we started the program on the 1st of December to today, he have helped us a lot, and we have achieved a great success that we have never achieved before now. But to thank God that is the power of God. The reason why we are getting it wrong every blessed day is that we are still have a mindset of all this return on investment. The mindset of return on investment is still our problem, because I keep on every single day, through your presentation, through your question, through your understanding, I discovered that spirit is like somebody that they take to and is it a shrine? Yes, once or two ghosts or a shrine like that, and told the person that, in fact, this is your life. And the person don't even know that those things are just a man-made. There's something that you can become, that you still have a natural, that a man who supersedes those things that you are doing, which is God himself, the creator of heaven and earth. Now, some people doesn't fail to believe that when we are talking of the trading, you yourself can trade even more than the person who asking you to bring money for you to trade for you. People have not got that knowledge, that I can do it by myself. By the time all of us discover and understand that I can do it by myself perfectly very well, and apply and wear the clothes of patience and wear the clothes of contentment. Be content with what you have, even as little it is on a day. You'll be okay, and you can gradually kill that spirit of want to turn yourself a millionaire in a twinkle of an eye, which all of us know very well that it cannot be possible. That is the gospel truth. In this industry, in this crypto space, precisely on the trading aspect of life, the trading aspect of skill, my dear, let us adopt the spirit of contented with whatever we have for the day. If you make 1% in a day out of your trading, that's okay. Watch the market. If you're lucky to get 2%, beautiful. If you're lucky to get 3%, awesome. If you're lucky to get 4%, oh, great. That becomes good. That is okay. And I think if you can adopt this to ourselves, or some of this, complaint of floating loss will stop. The gospel truth about what we are saying today is that, ladies and gentlemen, listen, market is down, and that is the crypto space, and that is what we are seeing in the crypto. I get you mean, but the good news is that from the month of March, the bull run will start. These are the great news. Right now, if you happen to be on the Luna Crush, you can see that everybody is talking about what? Dogecoin. Why? Because Elon Musk have announced that now you can buy a Tesla car and pay with the Dogecoin. So everybody is booming on the Dogecoin. So that will be a very big bull run on the Dogecoin. And if that happens, and who is the highest influencer today on the Bitcoin network? It's Elon Musk. And he's one that every time he brought the news over this, we get a good news and everything happens. So what you need to do at this point of time now, if you don't have money to do the management and don't have money to maybe to trade, to buy on this one shot, depression, don't worry. That money you see you have there, it will turn you a millionaire in the bull run. And bull run, remember, life is all about up and down. Anything have that's the beginning, have what? An end. No matter how the sickness started, one day, as you are treating it gradually, and how can you treat it as where we are nurturing it on a daily basis, I believe that sickness will go gradually. That is how the crypto space is. Some people have bought a coin for a long time. Yeah, just like I'm telling you since last year, that the coin that I bought, I bought this coin I have this coin about 174 billion of Bitcoin. I have this 174 billion of Bitcoin. I don't care. I don't leave it there. Maybe one day then I'll just wake up and feel like this coin, maybe he have made 10 cents. Guy, that day, everything, even if it takes 5 years, that 5 years will turn like a 5 days for me, or 5 minutes in my life. That is crypto space. And that day, if I'm coming out now on the streets, somebody will look at me and say, this guy, I've made it, without knowing how long I'll be holding it. Just like all this thing we are doing, it's a try to launch. Some of them will launch, some of them will not launch. But those ones that we announced, that you can be able to buy that at $10 on it, you can get it, because the Luna Crush able to get some coins that is not even on our Royal Q. But Royal Q is helping you to reduce your tension. Like somebody who is trading in the crypto space cannot compare himself with you. Right now, let me tell you the good news that all those guys that are trading future, they are coming gradually down to Royal Q because they don't even know what is spot trading and both trading. Both trading is one of the best trading so far, because in both trading, you can easily banish your coin and you get your capital exactly, and you move it and go ahead. But in the future, you can't see anywhere to adjust everything. like what you are teaching and saying here. So that is gospel truth. Ladies and gentlemen, I so appreciate, and that name is of God, thank God. Thank God who initiated this program. It is not me, it's not Captain, not anybody, but God himself that knows at the time like this, will bring us this short program to help the people and his humanity. And as you make up your time to be here, I believe your time being here would not be waste. So at the same time, tomorrow we'll be here live. And I want us to be committed, invite other people, both in 8 p.m. and also this 10 a.m. I don't know if the 10 a.m. is too short or is too early or late, so you can suggest as you are going. So let me, end here by inviting one of our brother, a leader who is also based here in Nigeria, Mr. Abel, to give us a vote on thanks before we finally close. But let me first of all ask if you know that you have any question or what is bothering you concerning some of your setting on how the market is. Don't hesitate to ask your question. You can go ahead and ask your question. Let me see me get Norbert Sangoni. You are welcome. Ronald, you are welcome. Sanji, you are welcome. Slanidal, you are welcome. Zilla, you are welcome. Good luck, you are welcome. And Lucky, you are welcome. Lake Billion, you are welcome. Irabor Grace, Madam, you are welcome. Manuela, Immaculata, you are welcome. Grace, you are welcome. And George, you are welcome. God, you are welcome. Funke, you are welcome. Francisca, you are welcome. Fortu, welcome. Crypto Lady, wow, that is beautiful. I love this name, Crypto Lady. You are welcome. Chanisa, you are welcome. ATM, welcome. Ajali, you are welcome. Madakeji, you are also welcome. These are the old school that are working for their graduation. Madakeji, Kane, Rebunwoke, these are people who are working towards their graduation in our institution. So I believe more younger students are also coming. So I welcome all of you and I celebrate your time, and I celebrate your energy and your encouragement and your goodness. So thank you, everybody. So if you have any question that body you can ask it before we close. But after them, okay, Mr. Ken, you raise up your hand and you can unmute yourself, Mr. Ken.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, our leaders. Thank you so much for your presentation every day. You know, what I think is the more reason why we are taking so much time on this Zoom meeting is because we didn't make the group to be active. There are some questions we can ask on the group. Then the leaders can answer the question. It should be useful for everybody. We don't need to come to the Zoom to ask every question. When we ask question on the group now, and the leader asks the question, so many people will be able to gain from it. Maybe even if I have such a question on my mind before, but when I see it on the group word and I saw the answer there, I don't need to come here again and ask the question. So let us be more active on the group word so that we don't need to come here and waste a bit of time. That's just my suggestion. Thank you.
It's all right. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. And I think I believe in some of our group that maybe Captain is there. We always ask we also answer some specific questions. And I believe with our little energy, there's nothing question you drop there that would not answer. But to me, I don't know about any other group, but we'll continue to try our best. On our general meeting, we announce it so that every leader will take notice of that. I think that is really on the help side also. Thank you, Mr. Ken, for that remind and information. Okay, Immaculata, you raise up your hand. Go ahead, Mr. Immaculata. Go ahead, I see you open your hand. Immaculata, are you there?
Okay, I did not mute it, sorry.
Okay.
I said good afternoon. I'm happy to be part of this group, part of the team. I'm very new some of the things that I put inside for after I told me this one, maybe it's when I can start making some profit. But it's like I start the capital.
It's like your network is bad. Your network is bad. We can't hear you. Your network is so bad. You're having a network issue. Okay. Okay. Fortune, go ahead. Yes, go ahead. Fortune, go ahead.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, sir. I have a challenge. The challenge I have is about Lunar Crush. I don't know how to use it. But I have the app and I did some registration on it. But since then, I've not used it. So I've not been able to use it. I don't know where to start from. So while you were talking about it, I joined when you almost rounded up on it. So that's the challenge I'm having.
Right now, we are already rounded up for this program. So what will join us early tomorrow? Are you Nigeria here or which country?
Yeah, Nigeria.
So you join us by 10 a.m. tomorrow. That is what you are using to, to educate our people how to use it and how to, use it to help yourself in Royal Q perfectly, because it's a very good and vital information that you have there. That when you take copy it there and take it to Royal Q, you make good success on it.
Okay.
So yeah, but tomorrow 10 a.m. we are in time, because that is where our starting point. Okay, thank you. So finally, over to Mr. Abel for the closing remark for auto close for the day.
It's all right. Thank you very much. Our great leader, Prince Malachi Chigozie, our great leader, Captain Jumbo. I want to express our profound gratitude to you guys for the kind of time you have devoted for this program. In fact, it's a very, very rich class. And I think there is nobody that have joined this class that will not say that, God, I thank you. Actually, to be frankly speaking, this is a class that somebody is supposed to pay a very good amount of money for. This is a class that you can pay like $300, $200, but our leaders are making sacrificial effort. So I want to, at this junction, say thank you very much, our leaders, Captain Jumbo, Prince Malachi, and all other team leaders that are making this meeting of Royal Q to be a great and huge success. We really appreciate you. And I want to call on each and every one of us that are on this platform. Let's take the business serious. Let's take it serious. Whatever you don't create time for, you cannot achieve it. You must create time to learn the business. If you don't create time, you will end up in complaining. Our leaders was asking somebody the other day that you that is complaining, I wish effort have you put in Royal Q that you have not gotten results. There is no way you can put effort in Royal Q that result will not be eminent. You must definitely get the result. And again, another thing we should know about is that the Royal Q is about live trading. It's a platform that nobody lost his money. So I want to indulge each and every one of us that are here this morning, both new and old. In fact, I'm speaking mostly to the new people that have come to join us today. This is where you can do a business with your two eyes closed. One, even though you have been caught up by a dip in one time or the other, it is just a floating loss. It's not a permanent loss. You no one lose money in Royal Q. And that is why that is the area that my mind is at rest in Royal Q. Before now, I have lost money in a lot of schemes. ROI investment company, every 10 days, they are paying me $5. They are paying $10. And like that, before 2-3 weeks, to 1 month, 5 months, they are nowhere to be found. But the good thing about the Royal Q is that my money is not in the hand of anybody. It's not in the hand of the company. It's in my crypto wallet. And with that, I am very, very, very comfortable here. And that even though my coins is at the dip today, it can still rise tomorrow. And that is what the crypto is all about. Crypto is volatile. It's all about going up and coming down. So let us settle down in this Royal Q. Let us join hands. In fact, let's embrace the effort of our leaders that are creating, devoting their time every day, 10 to 12. Some days we were here on this platform up to 1 o'clock. We didn't pay any of the leader a dime. We didn't buy them even a Coke or a 7-Up. In the evening, 8 o'clock, they are on it again. So this is a very good effort that we must commend them. And how we must commend them is we must be on this platform. Let's invite other people to come on the platform to learn this business, because so that we can increase our network. If you don't increase your network, that means you keep on complaining. So at this junction, I want to thank each and every one of us that has made it to this webinar this morning. We pray that between now and June, at least V6 will be achievable in the mighty name of Jesus. So I wish everybody all the best, and God Almighty will crown our efforts in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Thank you, our leader. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Ebert. Thank you for your closing remark. I want to sincerely celebrate all of you today, Tuesday, a beautiful day. I think tomorrow we all gonna wake up early tomorrow to watch our lunar cross to see the kind of the day for us to trade. And with that, at this junction, may I end here by saying good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, everyone. And remain blessed and celebrate. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. God bless you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Togo, I'm going to your WhatsApp page.